Look at this order of operation, PEMDAS. We solve for all what is in the J, that is the bracket. Then we move to the exponent, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Multiplication and division have the same priority, so we calculate them in the order they appear, left to right. Okay, the same goes to addition and subtraction. Okay, then therefore 5 minus 3 becomes 2. Now the question becomes like this. Now the exponent, 2 times 2, that is 4. Okay, now write the rest of the equation again. So now we rewrite everything like this. 6 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. That 2 parenthesis 4 becomes 6 divided by 2 times 4. Okay, there is no bracket holding them together anymore. This is where most students fail. PEMDAS does not say do multiplication first. It says division and multiplication left to right. Okay, so we start from left. All right, 6 divided by 2, that is 3, and 3 times 4 equals to 12. Therefore 12 is our final answer. So remember, multiplication and division have the same priority. Like this, we move from left to right. We calculate them in order they appear. Okay, so class dismissed.